Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about the government looking to use concrete for roads in Jamaica. Now, Jamaica has a serious problem with the state of the roads. The roads are in a terrible state. Some might say it's the worst the roads have ever been. Now, they use asphalt to build the roads in Jamaica, most of them. But the government is now going to be looking into using concrete to build some roads. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Now, to use concrete, they stated is more expensive than to use asphalt. But based on the state of the roads in Jamaica, maybe it's time to use concrete even though it's more expensive, because in some cases people have to be putting drums in the potholes so that people don't drop into them. It's really bad. So it's good that the government is looking into using concrete. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the use of concrete. Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, says the government is exploring the possibility of using concrete in the construction of low-use community roads islandwide. He made a disclosure during the official handover of a concrete road at Bay Farm Villa Close in St. Andrew, West Central. The work was undertaken in partnership with Caribbean Cement Company Limited and parent company Cimex. Dr. Holness noted that Jamaica has not pursued the option of using concrete for roads. Dr. Holness noted that Jamaica has not pursued the option of using concrete for road infrastructure because construction of asphalt roads is more economical. Given the number of roads that we have, it would be prohibitive to cover a number of these roads if we were to replace asphalt with concrete, he said. The Prime Minister nonetheless pointed out that there are opportunities to utilize the concrete solution in the low-use areas that do not require the thickness of the concrete, the steel reinforcement, the control of water, and the necessary application of friction to the surface, which all tend to increase cost. The move, he noted, would significantly improve the road infrastructure in areas that have been neglected for decades. So, I would like to say that our policy is evolving, Dr. Holness said, pointing out that the partnership with Cimex and Carib Cement is to have the opportunity to test the concrete products. To deploy a concrete solution in a horseshoe like this, Bay Farm Villa Close, is far different from employing the concrete solution on the main road that passes here, he explained. In the years to come, you are going to see a greater deployment of concrete, particularly on community roads, maybe parish council, municipal corporation roads, in situations like this. So it is not going to be only the application of asphalt, but we will be using other solutions as well to treat with the problem, he said. Meanwhile, the Prime Minister urged residents to play their part in ensuring that the upgraded infrastructure is maintained. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So what do you think about the use of concrete on the road surface? Or what do you think are using concrete to build the roads? Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.